Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. My video channel with practice problems is at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams. I teach online seminars for exams P, FM, IFM, and LTAM at Illinois State University, and you can find information at the site given here. And I also author study manuals for those exams, and you can find them at these URLs given here. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help-ISU-actuary. Here's a problem for today for exam P on probability. A public health researcher examines the medical records of a group of 937 men who died in 1999 and discovers that 210 of the men died from causes related to heart disease. Moreover, 312 of the 937 men had at least one parent who suffered from heart disease, and of these 312 men, 102 died from causes related to heart disease. Determine the probability that a man randomly selected from this group died of causes related to heart disease, given that neither of his parents suffered from heart disease. An important rule in these basic probability problems is to start by labeling the events and writing down the information that you have. Let's say that H is the event that a death is due to heart disease, and E is the event that neither of the parents suffered from heart disease for a man in the study, of course. Then, based on the information given, and we had a study of 937 men, 210 men died due to heart disease, and of those, 102 had a parent who suffered from heart disease. The reason that we know that 102 are a part of 210 is because we are told that there's a total number of people whose parents suffered from heart disease, and it's bigger than 102, but 102 are those of the men whose parents suffered from heart disease that died, and 210 is the total number of men who died from heart disease. So 102 died of heart disease and had a parent who suffered from heart disease, and 210 died due to heart disease. Okay, so what's the probability of H intersection E? That is death due to heart disease and neither of the parents suffered from heart disease. Well, how many people are there whose parents did not suffer from heart disease but they died? Well, it's 210 minus 102, so that's 108. And the total number of people in the sample in the group studied is 937. So this is equal to 108 divided by 937. And we also have probability of E is 1 minus 312 over 937, because 312 men had a parent who suffered from heart disease. Of those 312, 102 died from heart disease. That's, again, in the problem. And what we're looking for is probability of H given E, which is the probability of H intersection E divided by probability of E. And we just found those two. So we just divide the two results. The denominator is 937, so that cancels. And the answer is 108 over 625. And that's as a decimal, or expressed as a decimal, is 0.173, which is answer B. Please remember, this is copyrighted material. The problem itself comes from a Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.